Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a price alert on any coin on Binance app. Setting a price alert on Binance app enables Binance app to alert you whenever a particular coin gets to a particular price. This is always good whenever you want to buy a particular coin at a particular price, or whenever you want to sell your coin at a particular price. You can set a price alert on Binance. Why this is good is because whenever you're on the go or whenever you have so many other things doing, you might not be able to keep on looking at your phone or your desktop or your laptop to know when the coin gets to that particular price. So assuming you want to buy Bitcoin, when Bitcoin gets lower to $37 or $38,000, you can decide to set an alert on Binance app so that Binance app will alert you whenever Bitcoin gets to $37 or $38,000. You can also set an alert in case if you want to sell your Bitcoin at $46 or $45 or $47,000 for the app to alert you whenever the price gets to that particular price. So open your Binance app. Once you open your Binance app, go to market. Bitcoin is at $40,152 as of this moment. Go to market. When you get to market, these are all my favorite coins that I've already added to my watch list. But assuming you want to set an alert on Bitcoin, click here, type BTC USDT, click on it. Now come down here, you will see a small alert button at the down left corner of this app. Click on it. Once you click on it, alert type, price rises above, price drops to, price change is over. So the one we're going to use, these are all different kind of alerts that you can set. So the one we're going to use is price rises above. Already Bitcoin is at 40,134. You can see the app has already given you the exact price of Bitcoin. So you can decide to come here and clean this and say, inform me whenever price of Bitcoin gets to $45,000. Price rises above $45,000. Frequency once, only once a day, always. Let's check. Let's use only once. Now create alert. You've already created alert. Price rises above 45,000. Once this price rises to 45,000 or above 45,000, this Binance app will automatically notify you on your phone. Let's delete and go back again. This is Bitcoin. You can click on the alert again. Bitcoin is at 40,130. Assuming you want to buy lower, you can decide to set your alert and say price drops to, Bitcoin is at 40,130. Alert me when price of Bitcoin gets to $37,000 and create alert. You can see here the arrow is showing downside. Price drops to $37,000. Once the price of Bitcoin gets to $37,000, this app will automatically notify you. Let's delete. You can also look for any other coin, not only Bitcoin. You can also come to here and type local, or you can type GMT. Click on GMT. You can set this alert on any particular coin that is listed on Binance app. So this is exactly how you can set an alert on any coin on Binance app so that you'll be notified whenever the coin goes up to a certain amount or comes down to a certain amount. In case if this video is helpful to you in any way, please consider hitting the subscription button and also the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.